everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of April 4th through the 10th in my Recollections planner. This week I'm using a kit from My Planner Life UK. It's called Unicorn Frappe, I believe, and it's a super cute kit, and it has basically everything you need to just go and have the whole week done. So my plan is to just kind of use this kit, and I'm going to try to do as little control myself as possible. So my plan is to stick down the sidebar, stick down the headers in, I think I'm gonna do it to do today remember order. I'm gonna use these kind of like half boxes along the top of each row, and I'm gonna use this checklist. I've trimmed off the top one of the checklist. I think that'll make it fit okay. If I need to chop off another one, I'll do that. And I'm gonna put the full boxes in. And on the bottom, I have these two washies from Michaels that I feel like go really well as well. And I'm gonna stick those down. So my plan is to just kind of use the kit in basically the way that it's already set up here and make as few decisions as possible. So usually we kind of talk through where all the full boxes go and all of that stuff. I'm gonna skip all of those steps, and I'm just gonna do all of the setup as I go. And I'm gonna fast forward you through all of that, and then we'll just talk about plans this time, because there's really no decisions to be made. I'm just going to be doing everything in the order that it's already in. So with that, I am going to start my fast forwarding, and I will meet up after the boring bits are done. All right, here is where we are at this point. I think it's looking pretty cute. Definitely a lot. Excuse my buzzing. I didn't silence my phone apparently. So now we just have a few plans for this week that I want to mark in now, so that we have those ready to go. First off is, unsurprisingly, work. Kind of a big thing. So I have these guys. These are from Creative Cavern Studio. It's the Avery with laptop. And they have like this cute little pink laptop, and I feel like it goes really well with this kit. And as I've talked about before with some previous spreads I've used these stickers for, I find the pink harder to use than I thought I would. So there we go. I'm just sticking 2 extras on my hand because then I don't have to find them again. Also going on, we have a couple videos going up. So I think I'm going to use these guys. These are from Piper Paper Company. They're the little film tapes in the neutral colorway. I don't think this colorway exists anymore, but I'm not totally sure. I do have a coupon code below for her shop. If you want to use it, totally no pressure, but it does get you 20% off. If you like, I also get a small commission to buy more things in her shop if you shop with my code. Anyway, that's all for Monday for now. Tuesday, we have curling. We have only a couple days left of curling. This is the last week of the regular season. I'm going to use these Prairie Planner stickers. Ooh, I'm actually almost done. We'll have to see if we make the playoffs. I might actually finish a sheet this year. We'll see. So I think I'm gonna stick it down here. We have a game on Tuesday and another game Thursday, hence this on my hand. I'm not sure if it's an early game or a late game, to be honest. Probably late game because that's what always happens and it's terrible. But I think that's the first half of the week. For the second half, I'm gonna stick down my last 2 work stickers. On Thursday, another curling game. Again, don't know if it's early or late, but whatever. Friday, I have a video going up. I think this is gonna be my March highlights, but by the time it's up, you'll know what it is, so you can check it out on my channel. And then the last thing for Thursday is a vet appointment. And I have this sampler from Keep It Simple stickers. And this little vet stethoscope, it says Vet Day, I think goes really well with this kit. So I'm gonna stick it down. I'm gonna let it overlap the today. I think that's fine. Yeah, so the weekend, totally up in the air. Need to run some errands, I think, and that's about it. So this is where we're at right now. I know, kind of boring, but hopefully it's looking really cute, I think. So that's what I have. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. A little wiggle and a twerk. There's a little bit of foil down here at the bottom. Sorry the lighting's weird. The sun is weird today. But I do have a good amount of leftovers from the kit from my Planner Life UK. As expected, these kits always have too much stuff since they're really designed for happy planner. But if I don't mention it, it came from that kit. All of these little bunnies, these are from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a Piper Paper Company. The Prairie Planner, Dollar Tree, more Piper Paper Company, or more Prairie Planner, Piper Paper Company. This is Keep It Simple stickers and Chasing Shells. And then the bottom washi and this washi came from Michaels. Everything else came from the kit, so tried to use that as much as possible. And I think it turned out pretty cute. I think it was a lot of fun. Definitely colorful. I like the Frappuccino vibes. Always need a little more energy and coffee, for sure. But hopefully you enjoyed this. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know if you have any plans for the rest of April. I know that Easter's coming up and some other holidays are coming up. So if anything is exciting for you guys, I would love to hear about it. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.